right? Because I'm seeing a lot of black, screens. I mean, a lot of black images, come down on my social media, because apparently you dumb, retarded people from my community are still listening to people that you've never met over the internet. Okay. So the reason I'm saying that is because if you don't believe in conspiracies or you don't believe in facts, that's fine. But didn't your parents ever tell you not to talk to strangers? Why the fuck do y'all keep listening to people that y'all don't know? Now, why am I bringing this up? Black Lives Matter, as you see here, is apparently telling people on Tuesday, everybody post a blackout, right? Now, why is this important? I said this shit 3 years ago. George Soros is behind Black Lives Matter, okay? Now, if you don't believe me, believe a sheriff. This is from Fox News, December 15th, 2017, which is coincidentally also 3 years ago. What does it say? Black Lives Matter has been hijacked by George Soros. Billionaire investor George Soros has donated millions of dollars to Black Lives Matter through his Open Society Foundation, according to Washington Times. Now, let me piece this all together for you idiots, okay? George Soros just sent in Antifa, who you see right here, to destroy the country and to try to create anarchy, because through anarchy, they can institute a new government. So George Soros is a part of the deep state. Now that George Soros' plan didn't go as planned, he now wants to convince all of you retarded ass black people who don't listen to shit to basically help him cover his tracks by not posting anything on Tuesday and giving Google and artificial intelligence and the shit that they like to use on the internet the chance to delete and censor as much shit as they can. Now, what is a blackout? Let's just go to the definition of blackout. And it's from dictionary.com. Blackout. Definition A, temporary loss of consciousness. Definition B, a period of total memory loss. Definition 5, a brief passing lapse of memory. 5, complete stoppage of a communications medium as by strike, catastrophe, or electrical storm. So by definition, the word blackout is literally stopping your memory. So on Tuesday, all of you dumbass niggas is getting ready to give these motherfuckers a chance to try to scrub the internet. Because what is going viral right now on the internet? The police vandalizing cities, aka treason, okay? Because they're aiding and abetting terrorists like Hillary Clinton and Barack Obama, so that's treason. And you're going to get him a chance to scrub Antifa off the internet. So what is wrong with my people? And I'm saying this out of love. I'm not saying this out of coonism. I'm saying this out of love. What is wrong with black people? Y'all won't listen to me. You'll call me a coon, and I'm black, and I've been holding it down by myself for 5 years on this internet with no help, no support. You won't listen to me. You'll argue with me up and down, but you will listen to a motherfucker that you